welcome to this course, Core Java J2AC, and here I am Nitin Patil. I will deliver you the sessions on Core Java, but this session is based on Java fundamentals, in which we cover the things like keywords, data type, variable, operator, constant, as well as basic concepts like class object and what is the use of system.out.println and other basics which is available in the basic programs. So we have NetBeans IDE for demonstration of that content. So I'm going to develop new project or Java class library for showing this concept new. Regarding the concept, give name to the project like Java fundamentals. Finish. Here we have a file system like source package, and inside the source package I'm going to create a package com dot as usual java persistent dot ex. I'm going to create a simple and normal Java class employee. See, this is the basic syntax or basic architecture of class. So what is the definition of class? Class is a collection of member function and member variable, as well as class which is used to bind the data and also show the functionality in a project, as well as class is a user defined data type. See, we have that much of definitions or number of things regarding the class you can say. After that I'm going to develop the class int empid string name, then int salary of employee, int commission of employee. This is what exactly? This is nothing but member variables, as well as you can say data type of value. So what is data type? Data type which is used to store type of value in a program. This is data type. So Java supports near on 8 data types are there in Java. So see here I am going to take only int and a string. Later on I will tell you other data types also. And I'm going to develop a normal function, public void show detail of employee. So function name shows the functionality, means which kind of code available inside the function. Means method, you can say method is what? Method or function which is used to which is used to perform some task, or which is used to execute some task. And I'm just going to print this value only. empid plus is the operator, press out again, emp name, emp sal, emp commission, and here I'm going to count whole salary, means sal plus commission whole amount. For that purpose I'm going to develop another one data type like total sal. Total sal is equals to sal plus commission and s out emp total sal plus this is what this plus is also operator. This plus is also arithmetic operator. What is system.out.println? System is a class, so you can study it likewise also. Click on a concept like what system, click on that and navigate, go to source. Here here you will come to know what is the purpose of system. System is a class having final type, and what is the purpose of this class also. System is a class which is used to for taking standard input stream. See here, as well as what is out is object of println. See, print stream class is there and out is object, you can find out inside also. See here, output stream having object as out. And what is println is a method of which one class. See here, you can see also. Here we have a class like print stream. Println is a method of print stream class which is used to print the output. Out is an object and the system is a class which is used to take standard input streams. Right now I am going to develop the main method. For creating an object, what we required? Class name, object name equals to new keyword and constructor. Then what is the class name? Employee is the class name. See, class name obj equals to new constructor is same as the class name. Then obj dot emp id equals to 1010, and again obj dot emp name equals to abc. Then obj dot emp sal. Emp sal is near on 10,000. And obj dot commission is equals to 2000. Then for executing the method, obj dot method name show detail. So in direct way you can say what is object. Object is what? Object which is used to execute a class. As well as what is object? Object is a logical representation of physical class. As well as object is a runtime entity. As well as object is responsible responsible for execute a class, as well as object store a address of class. If you wanted to execute the class, then need to be create the object. If you wanted to send something inside the class, like these are the values, I assign these values to the member variable which is available in the class. If you wanted to execute the method show detail which is available in a class, we require an object. Without object, we can create a static also. So right now I am going to execute this program. So likewise, we have output. See, what is keywords? Keywords are a language related word, like class is a keyword, int is a keyword, string is a keyword, then public is a keyword, void is a keyword. Keyword are a language related word. By using Java keywords, we can construct the program. What is data type? Data type is a variable, or data type is a symbol which is used to store a type of value in a program. What is operator? This is the operator which works on operand, like commission and sal are the operands, and plus is what arithmetic operation. Operator is what? Operator is a symbol which works on operand. Which works on operands. There are several type of operators like arithmetic operator, logical operator, comparison operator. We will see in next example also. This is the basic example, and Java fundamental. Inside that one, I'm going to use operator. I'm going to use method, how to develop the methods. I'm going to use data types also, how we can take data type in a class, how can we develop the class, what is the importance of class name and all, constructor, object, how we can develop the object, what is the purpose of object. These are some definitions I written over here, and how can I send value inside the class, okay, and how can I execute the method which is available in a class by using object. This is the basic example, and I hope you got all the concepts regarding Java fundamental, and thanks for watching the session. Again, I am going to run that application. See, likewise we have output. Thanks. Thank you.